Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best Dyson Airwrap Attachments is probably one of the most sought-after hair styling tools on the market, and for good reason, as it offers a revolutionary way to achieve salon-quality hairstyles right at home with its innovative Coanda airflow technology that wraps and styles hair using only air, minimizing heat damage and maximizing versatility for a wide range of hair types and desired looks, making it an indispensable addition to any beauty enthusiast's collection. Number 5. Ella Bella 6-in-1 Professional Hot Air Styler. Introducing the Ella Bella 6-in-1 Professional Hot Air Styler, your all-in-one solution for effortless hairstyling. Achieve salon-quality results right at home. This powerful set combines a hair dryer and straightener, simplifying your routine. Get sleek, smooth hair with just one tool. Style your hair with confidence, knowing it's protected from heat damage. Our advanced technology ensures your hair stays healthy and vibrant. Experience rapid drying and versatile styling options. Whether you want curls, volume, or straight hair, it does it all quickly and efficiently. Keep your styler safe and organized with the included protective travel case. Perfect for on-the-go touch-ups and travel. What we like? This is a versatile styling tool that offers multiple functions in one device. It allows for fast drying, curling, volumizing, and straightening without causing heat damage to your hair. If you're looking for a convenient all-in-one solution to achieve various hairstyles quickly and safely, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The barrels are easy to switch out. It is very easy to use and the Airwrap is very effective at drying and styling hair. Number 4. Teamoy Hair Tool Organizer Travel Bag for Dyson Airwrap. This travel bag is specially designed to be compatible with your Dyson Airwrap styler. It offers multiple compartments to neatly store your styler and all its attachments. With 4 divided compartments and a main pocket, everything has its place. Additional zippered pockets are perfect for brushes and hair care essentials, keeping them secure. The wide-open design and dual zippers make accessing your tools incredibly easy. Plus, the sturdy hanging hook allows you to conveniently store it in your bathroom or dressing area. Its handy dimensions make it easy to fit into your luggage or suitcase. This portable organizer is perfect for carrying your hair tools wherever you go. Crafted from durable, water-resistant nylon, this organizer is both lightweight and easy to clean. It's built to last and protect your valuable tools. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This travel bag is an ideal present for your loved ones on any special occasion, from birthdays to holidays. What we like? This organizer is designed specifically to hold your Dyson Airwrap styler and all its attachments neatly. It features multiple compartments and pockets for easy storage and access, and its compact, foldable design makes it perfect for travel. If you frequently travel and want to keep your expensive styling tool protected and organized on the go, this is an excellent option. What people say. The barrels are easy to switch out. It comes with a variety of attachments for different styling needs. The Airwrap technology allows for quick drying and styling. Number 3. Yarwo Travel Case for Dyson Airwrap. Keep your Dyson Airwrap safe and sound with this durable travel case. It's designed to perfectly fit all models and their attachments. Never lose track of your accessories again. This case features a padded holder for up to 4 attachments, ensuring everything stays in place. Its portable design includes a hanging hook and a top handle, making it easy to carry and hang wherever you go. The wide opening allows for quick and effortless access to your styler and all its components. Add a touch of elegance to your travel gear with this beautiful dusty rose-colored storage bag. This storage bag is the ideal companion for your Dyson Airwrap, offering protection and organization on the go. What we like? This storage case offers padded protection for your Dyson Airwrap styler and attachments, ensuring they remain safe during transport. It also includes a convenient hanging hook for easy access in any bathroom or dressing area. If you need a secure and stylish way to store and transport your Dyson Airwrap, especially if you have all the different models and attachments, this case is ideal. What people say. The barrels are designed to create curls and waves, and they work by attracting and wrapping hair using the Coanda effect. It comes with multiple attachments for different styling needs, including smoothing brushes and a volumizing brush. The device uses a powerful digital motor to generate the airflow needed for styling. Number 2. Dyson Airwrap Jumbo Round Brush Attachment. Experience a new level of styling with our upgraded large round brush attachment. It's designed to give you bigger, fuller volume with ease. This jumbo-sized attachment is perfect for creating voluminous looks. Achieve salon-quality results right at home. Specifically crafted as an accessory for your Dyson Airwrap. It seamlessly integrates with your existing tool for enhanced performance. Enjoy the versatility of both oval and round brush shapes in one attachment. It allows for flexible styling options to suit your needs. Not only does it perform exceptionally, but it also boasts a stylish gold finish. Elevate your hairstyling routine with this elegant accessory. Achieve effortless volume and a smooth finish with this innovative attachment. It's designed to make your hair look and feel its best. What we like? This is an upgraded, larger round brush attachment designed to create significant volume for your hair. It's perfect for achieving that bouncy, full-bodied look. If you have finer hair or desire maximum volume and a salon-like blowout at home, this attachment is a must-have. What people say. The barrels are easy to swap out and create curls that last all day. The smoothing brushes are great for taming frizz and flyaways, leaving hair sleek and shiny. The pre-styling dryer attachment is surprisingly powerful and dries hair quickly. Number 1. Dyson Airwrap HS01 HS05 Filter Cleaning Brush. Keep your Dyson Airwrap performing at its best. This brush is designed to gently clean your filters, ensuring optimal airflow and performance. Specifically crafted for the Dyson Airwrap HS01 and HS05 models. It's the perfect tool to maintain your hair styler's attachments. Our cleaning brush removes dust and debris without causing damage. Enjoy a gentle yet effective cleaning experience for your valuable tool. Regular cleaning with this brush helps maintain the peak performance of your hair styler. Ensure your device always works as intended. This is an essential accessory for any Dyson Airwrap owner. Keep your hair styler in top condition with this simple yet crucial cleaning brush. This filter cleaning brush corresponds to part number 969760001. It's the genuine solution for maintaining your device's filters. What we like? This is a specialized brush designed to gently clean the filter of your Dyson Airwrap styler. Keeping the filter clean ensures optimal performance and longevity of your device. If you want to maintain your Dyson Airwrap in top condition and ensure it always works its best, regular cleaning with this gentle brush is essential. What people say. The barrels are easy to switch out and create curls that last all day. I love how quickly it dries my hair while also styling it. The different attachments allow for a variety of hairstyles, from sleek and straight to voluminous waves. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.